Hello everyone, this is ApexFlow Zignal, a trading system that delivers 5 different types of signals through fully automated order flow analysis. And this is ThunderZilla, a complete trading system designed to cover everything from trade entries to exit management. Now we're going to combine both of these systems on Renko bars to create a complete trading strategy. This setup is designed for all types of traders. Whether you're a scalper looking for quick moves or a trader who prefers holding positions longer to capture bigger trends. For ApexFlow Zignal, we'll only be focusing on the push signal. This signal helps us identify whether buyers or sellers are truly in control inside each individual candle. To identify this, the push signal is built around 2 main factors. The first factor is called effort, the reason behind the price movement. This is a group of volume-based data used to determine what's actually driving the bullish or bearish pressure inside a candle. The second factor is called result, the actual outcome of the price action. In order flow analysis, when the result does not match the original cause, it often signals a conflict between price movement and the underlying supply and demand behavior in the market. That's why the conditions below are used to confirm whether the candle's result truly reflects the buying or selling pressure that appeared beforehand. By combining these 2 factors together, the system uses a total of 7 different conditions to identify a high-quality push signal candle. Inside each candle, if you zoom in, you'll be able to see the full order flow data integrated directly into ApexFlow Zignal. It reflects how the order flow is being analyzed within each candle and provides a lot of important information about the market behavior at that specific moment. Next is ThunderZilla, a complete all-in-one trading system. So why do we call it an all-in-one system? Because throughout its development, we integrated nearly every essential feature a trader needs into a single system. Next is ThunderZilla, a complete all-in-one trading system. So why do we call it an all-in-one system? Because throughout its development, we integrated nearly every essential feature a trader needs into a single system. Next are the pullback trading signals, designed to help traders identify potential retracement areas before the main trend continues. Next, we have the trailing stop plot, a tool that helps traders identify where to place their stop loss and how to trail their stop more effectively for each trade. And it doesn't stop there. The system also works like an oscillator, helping you recognize when the trend is gaining strength, which is usually the ideal moment to start trailing your stop and protecting profits more effectively. Next, we have a momentum weakness signal, warning that the market may be preparing for a pullback or even a short-term reversal move. And next, we're moving into the most important part, the 3 main ways these systems can be combined to create higher quality trading opportunities. Let's start with the first checklist, signal overlap. With this checklist, the process is very straightforward. You simply wait for a push signal from ApexFlow Zignal and a trading signal from ThunderZilla to overlap at the same location, then you execute the trade. For example here, we have a sell signal from ThunderZilla appearing together with a bearish push signal from ApexFlow Zignal in the same area, triggering a sell trade setup. This setup has a relatively high level of reliability because it comes from the alignment of multiple factors at the same time, including momentum, order flow, and overall market trend. Because of that, you can place your initial stop loss and then manage the trade by trailing your stop along the ThunderZilla trailing stop plot. Similarly here, we also have a buy setup when both signals overlap at the exact same location. When ApexFlow Zignal and ThunderZilla align in the same direction, it gives us stronger confidence to enter a buy trade. At first glance, this setup may look very simple on the chart, but we have alignment between the overall market trend, momentum, order flow, and buying versus selling pressure. This allows traders to avoid manually analyzing too many variables while still getting access to a higher probability trade setup. Next is checklist number 2. With this setup, we'll use the push signal to capture moments where buyers or sellers are preparing to aggressively push price further in the direction of the current trend. You'll notice that many push signals appear on the chart, but not every signal should be traded. With this checklist, we only enter trades when the push signal appears on a reversal candle. A bearish push on a red reversal candle triggers a sell trade, while a bullish push on a green reversal candle triggers a buy trade. If the push signal appears on other candles, we usually skip the trade to avoid chasing tops or selling bottoms. This approach helps you catch moments where price is just starting to move up or down, creating more short-term trading opportunities within a larger trend. At the same time, it helps avoid entering trades too late after price has already moved too aggressively. And finally, checklist number 3, taking advantage of signals that appear at the beginning of a new trend. Here you can see the very first buy signal from ThunderZilla in a new trend. Setups like this usually have a higher level of reliability compared to signals that appear later in the trend. That's because this is only the first pullback of the move, a stage where sellers are typically not aggressive enough yet to push the market lower. And we can apply the same idea to the push signal as well. If it's the first push signal in a new trend, it's usually a very strong sign that the momentum is only starting to build. That's very different from signals that appear after an extended move, where the market is more likely to enter a buying climax or selling climax phase. Right now, this strategy can be fully automated using Infinity Algo Engine. With this tool, you can reduce up to 90% of the time spent manually trading in front of the screen. We also provide complete templates to help you set up and run the strategy more easily in an automated environment. If you need any help, feel free to contact the NinZa Co-Support team or leave a comment down below for additional support.
Join the ninZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.